You know, I don't know if I should laugh or pull out my AR-15 and start punching holes in these batteries. But yesterday, it was the water heater. And this morning, on the Mate 3, you can see the red light there. Look at the voltage. 2289, which tells me, well, one or more of these batteries just didn't hang in there. I'm only taking 15% off the top of these batteries. I'm barely freaking using them. So, and hopefully, you know, I got a couple over here. I know this one's probably okay, but that one, I don't know. But we'll see if I can, if it's more than one, this is going to really suck. When it rains, it pours, guys.